Hi, my name is Anna Livia Brady. I graduated JPCatholic in 2020. Here's what life has been like for me since graduation. What I really appreciate about JPCatholic is they had such a holistic and nuanced approach to college education. Whatever major you ended up getting, you're going to get a ton of humanities and business courses, which are going to really help you get a very holistic view of the world. For example, my major was communications, that's my degree, without an emphasis, so I was able to really streamline and tailor my education to something I truly enjoyed. Another aspect I really appreciated about JPCatholic was it was able to nourish my quirky side without ruining my soul. That might sound harsh, but look around. Where else can you find such a unique group of artists, scholars, and entrepreneurs who actually respect and practice Catholicism? Another thing about JPCatholic was it was a great launching pad for me to become a self-reliant and community-driven adult because it taught me a ton of life skills like how to build a routine and how to work around a year-round schedule and how to prioritize. And I've carried those skills with me in my relationships and in the different events that I've attended as well as my professional careers. So life after graduation has been both exciting and challenging. My first job outside of college was working at an urgent care at the front desk. But on the side, I really had an itch to keep that creative side of me alive, so I was doing different things like copywriting and different side projects, content creation, blog writing. So then after my full year at the urgent care, I actually got a job as a communications coordinator for the Right to Life League, which is America's first pro-life organization. That included social media creation, bi-weekly email campaigns, monthly newsletters, and layout. I was really happy that this position especially gave me a chance to utilize my talents in a way that serves a greater purpose and a cause that's really meaningful to me. My classes and my time at JPCatholic prepared me for the real world of what it means to be a creative professional, and just all the creative classes I took really helped advance whatever I was interested in. And at JPCatholic, I was able to form some really solid friendships. We had tons in common. We were able to do projects on the side. And then for me, it was a big challenge coming back to LA and forming new friendships, new relationships. When you're not around young adults all the time, as you are in college, I had to reach out first. I had to be the one to initiate. And once I learned how to do that, about 8 months to a year after I graduated, that's when everything kind of fell into place. I loved my time at JPCatholic, and I love my life in Pasadena now. Being in LA and close to different things has given me the opportunity to grow professionally, but then also to take on new challenges and really just show people how I'm impacting culture for Christ. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful when considering your own college and career path.
Been an artist at heart my whole life, but it's something I always shied away from it because it wasn't practical or it wasn't responsible. And so really my story of coming to John Paul the Great, it started ironically when I was a business major at an entirely different university across the country.